Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Today we are going to learn about the reason why two-step verification method is key important in Payoneer account. Make sure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. Payoneer is an international global payment method that allows you to get payments from international global clients. The reason that when we are transacting using these Payoneer, we normally enable the two-step verification. The reason we normally enable the two-step verification is to ensure that apart from login with your email address, you will be prompted. Payoneer will prompt your phone number. They send a code. Then you will pick the code, key it in your online payment method for you to access your bank. Yeah. The reason that with how to enable it, we normally first log in into a Payoneer account. You'll get to this platform. Secondly, go to settings, go to security settings. Once we go to security settings, we'll be able to go to it's already enabled two-step verification. We are sending verification codes to your mobile phone number. It is already enabled. So that once we log in the email address, you'll have to put your password. Then a code will be sent to your phone number. A code that have been sent me in my phone number. It says 77. 51 85. Yeah, once we verify, it makes it very effective. It says that two-step verification is a way to use Payoneer more securely. When you perform certain account related actions, we will send you code to your to your mobile phone number to verify that you are the one. Reason number one that we normally facilitate using these services is that Payoneer is a secure payment method than others. Payoneer is available in over 150 countries. That is the reason number one that we normally prefer using Payoneer. Second is that Payoneer is available in over 200 countries. Secondly is that Payoneer is available over 150 different currencies. Again, Payoneer is normally is an international payment method that has over 4 million customers worldwide. So once you're in this system, you can receive money from international global clients, over 4 million users. The reason number 4 is that it has a customer care team of 320 customer care employers. These employers will always be able to respond to your emails anytime you have queries and be able to assist you with the shortest time possible. The other reason is that these 320 employers in Payoneer all can speak to you with 70 different languages. That narrows down to that Payoneer can be able to assist so many people. Reason number 5 is that it enables the verification, the two-step verification method. We just turned it off. We need to turn it back on. We said go to settings, come to security settings. Once we come to security settings, yeah, I don't know why it's not responding. It will be responding soon. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me. And Payoneer is a safe payment method. Okay, we at this step. We need to turn it on. When we are turning it on, it means it will send a code to my phone number, and I will be able to turn two-step verification method. And yeah, it has just sent me a code. The code is 944806. So verify. Once I verify, it means that I have enabled. I've enabled. It tells me to copy a certain code. Yeah. This code is normally used as a recovery code. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Thank you.